guys, if you're unaware, today I'm building a giant bridge with Lego. Because last night I saw an ad of it and I was like, geez, I've got to do that. And then I literally am doing it now. So, yeah, it's already pretty big. It doesn't go very far, but it is good. And, let's keep building. Yeah, I like to whistle. Oh yeah, I can't sing. I hate that I can't sing. It's just not very good. It's almost too big for the camera. Jesus. What's this by? 8. Okay. It's by 8. Let's do 4. And I am practically out already. But we're doing good, okay? We are not making it to our destination though. Where do I want it to go to? I don't know where I want it to go from. Oh yeah, I see where I want it. Okay, I need a big bridge. Yep, let's take that. Yeah, that's got a few by 2. You know, I am getting the biggest of bricks. Not bricks, they're not bricks, they are not bricks for the... Oh my god, jackpot. Okay, let's do this. Put this on the end there. Oh, Jimmy of Jimington Town, you are not going to frown because it's upside down. Bro, I am very stupid sometimes. It's fine. Okay, I think this might be big enough. Let's test that theory. It's not big enough. Like, it's not big enough. What? That is so weird. I thought it was. Oh well, I guess it isn't. Yes, I put you at a different angle now. Brick. Looking for some more pieces in here. Whoa, this is kind of cool. Probably got it from the college Lego set. Because my little brother had it. Yes, he loves Lego too. He doesn't love it though. He likes it. I love it. It was the best creation on earth. And I must serve my king. Lego. Okay, let's put that there. Then I'll put one of those on. Okay. And serve with that. Let's see. Is this bridge big enough? Okay, please. No, it is big, too big. Oh, wait, it actually works? Yo! Hey. One sec. Oh, it's leaning down. I need a giant pillar, like a big one, going down. Wait a minute, I have an idea. I have 3 of these, so I can just grab 3 of them. But that still won't be big enough, so yeah, like that's tiny. Wait, so are these on it? Wait, I think I know what the problem is. Let's just keep building. Okay, just find some bricks to make it go down. No, we're good. I'm good. Let's test if this bridge is actually good. Okay. Very end of the bridge, that's the end of it. In fact, I think I'm gonna put you on the other side. Oh, perfect. Oh, dang it. You guys aren't, I'm gonna test with this woman again. Let's see. Will it work if I put her on? Oh, wait. I have an idea. How many minifigs can I put on this? Okay. I'll put on my second one. Oh no. Oh, it's holding up too? Oh my god. Okay, let's see. Will it hold up? No, it holds 3 minifigs. It's time to put on some more. Let's see. Let's get Killmonger. No! Oh no! It can't hold 4 minifigs. So I can't do like a Thanos chase battle. Oh well. Also, Rhodey's kinda, yeah, he's dead. That's for sure. His mask flipped off mid-air, and then he hit his face off there and then bounced onto yeah, and then just Tony Stark is an MVP. He's just standing up right there. I'm having too much fun with this. This is too great. I think this is too big. That was hard. I know what I'm gonna use. No! I dropped the Lego piece! Oh my god, I'm not even actually on the camera. I'm so sorry.
I've just started. I remember when I had like a full 100, but I got my new iPad, so now I'm not that good. Okay. Because this small screen, and I've got training now. So. Oh, have you seen if I score this?
Okay, I re-enhanced it, so hopefully I can put on more minifigs. Second. Okay, we got 2 minifigs on. I have a feeling that pt5 is gonna break it. Oh my god, you can see perfectly.
That's what you get when you.
Yes, you can see perfectly. Okay, I'm not gonna put on Rhodey's because he's very heavy. He's a bit chungus, so let's put on Wonder Maximal. Oh no, it's falling, but that doesn't count as it breaking. This is working. I'm gonna put on Hulk because Hulk's very thick and strong. So, oh my god, fell into my hand. Let's see. It can hold 5 minifigs. Okay, let's put on the next 2, Obi-Wan Kenobi and this random Ewok. Yeah. It's supposed to look like a monkey. Oh, boys, it's holding 6. Let's see if it can hold a 7th. Oh! Look at all these 7 minifigs. It's time to put on our 8th minifig. Okay, 8 minifigure time.
I got it. How?
Oh, 8 minifigures! This is going on forever. And me just building a bridge. I'm gonna call it Lego Building Mocs Part 5. No! It exploded! With 8 minifigures on it.
Oh, God.
Tony Stark's hair flung off.
God, sick, I haven't got to go to heaven.
Yo, Tony Stark. Guys, Tony Stark is bald.
Tony Stark is
Tony Stark is bald. Now he's perfect friends with Obadiah.
Now he's perfect friends with that person who I put onto my YouTube channel.
Perfect. Yay, happy ending. He fell off a bridge, then lost his hair. Now he's got a girlfriend. The perfect end. Goodbye.